Hi there, students. A conflict of interest. Okay, a conflict of interest is when somebody in a professional position needs to make a decision, but that professional decision will also affect them personally. So, for example, a financial advisor. A financial advisor might want to advise you to invest in a company in which the financial advisor already has money invested. That may be a conflict of interest because maybe that will cause the value of the investment to go up. Okay, it's a conflict between your obligation to do something for the public good and your self-interest. A conflict of interest is normally where somebody's particular job or their social role or their obligation, their professional obligation, is in conflict or is affected by something that has a private effect on them. The interest, though, doesn't always have to be money. Maybe, for example, if it's my job to choose who is going to do a contract, who's going to do a building contract, and my brother-in-law is a builder, I can't recommend my brother-in-law as the builder because that is conflict of interest. Yeah, I'm doing my brother-in-law a favor by giving it to him. Maybe he's the best, but the question is my decision independent? This is something I can't prove. Yeah, it's saying that there is you might reasonably doubt whether there is a risk that the decision may be influenced by secondary interests. So if you have a primary interest, you're a politician, and you have secondary interests, things that you own or friends or family, you can't mix the two. You can try to mix the two, but this is a conflict of interest. Maybe if you're Prime Minister, and normally when a Prime Minister leaves office, the Prime Minister in the UK is allowed to give honours to certain people. Well, if that Prime Minister wants to give these honours to his friends and family, that's a conflict of interest. Okay, so there are two different things working against each other. Okay, a conflict of interest, a situation where somebody is in a position of trust, a lawyer, a broker, an advisor, a politician, an executive, maybe even a doctor. Yeah. And there is a competition between their professional interests and their personal interests. So, for example, drug companies offering doctors benefits for prescribing their medicine is illegal because the doctor, this influences the doctor to prescribe this medicine, even if it's not the best, because like that he makes money. Okay, so this is a conflict of interest. This is the opposite of impartiality or being disinterested. Yeah, there's a conflict of interest where a person can derive personal benefit from actions which they take, or decisions which they take in their professional capacity. A conflict between the private interests of a person and their official responsibilities when they're in a position of trust. Yeah, it's a conflict between their obligations to the public good and your own self-interest. So, for example, somebody who is a politician who owns stock in a company that is trying to get government contracts. Yeah, if I'm the Minister for Public Works and I own a building company, then if I choose my building company, that's a conflict of interest. Yeah, and you need to avoid conflict of interest wherever possible. I was just thinking about something else. I read one definition, only one, that said if two people have different what's good for one is bad for the other, and vice versa. But I would not use a conflict of interest. I would say these two people have conflicting interests, which is ever so slightly different. So anyway, conflict of interest. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conflict of interest.